Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are having a 3-course meal. We have some fish fingers here that have some Italian herb on the top. Let's get into it. That we're just going to drip a teeny bit. Maybe I should put it on, let me put it here. Just a teeny bit. Okay. This is what it looks like. Now that's really good. Yeah. This is too good. It's really hot. Really hot. Oh my god, did I really nearly just eat 8 fish fingers? Okay, so guys, apparently my camera is too bright to see the pasta, so this is what the pasta looks like. You guys can see that. Okay. I was trying to like get a good shot, but apparently it's too bright so you can't see. Okay, well, can you guys see that? Okay, so in front of us we have a beautiful jam cake. We also have some whipped cream, okay? God. I can't even lie, I haven't had cake in so long. So, you know, you can't blame me for wanting some more. Oh God. Okay. That's pretty cool. Now, who is ready for some cake? So, you know, today I was going to do a 3-course meal for the video, but I just tasted the pasta that I did and it was horrible. And I'm like, I'm not eating this on camera. Like, it's not going in the video. You understand what I'm saying? Like, literally, I was just sitting here eating and I was like, wow, this kind of tastes nasty. I don't know why. I must be missing an ingredient that I haven't realized. But yeah. So, ooh, the cake just fell apart. I'm gonna eat it regardless. Okay, let's try that again. This is what the cake looks like. It's got jam and everything. Before it fall apart. So what we're gonna try and do today is we're gonna try and eat like half of this cake just because I want to be greedy, and who cares, okay? You only live once, so eat whatever you want. Because one day you're gonna die and you're gonna be like, damn, why did I not eat that cake I wanted? So eat the cake that you eat, whatever you want to eat, okay? Or else you're gonna die sad. It's like heaven. You know what? I'm not even playing. This video is gonna have little to zero cuts in it. You know what I'm saying? Tonight I'm just really tired. So it is what it is. I don't even know if YouTube's gonna censor me for putting this knife on here, shit. But oh well. Real good. Yeah. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh. Again. So good. If only you were here to taste it. You know, if only. Guys, this video I'm gonna go off. I'm not even gonna edit it too much. I'm just gonna put it out there. But yeah, it flopped. The video flopped. Go subscribe and I will see you in the next one.